Are you ready to elevate your brand in ways you've never imagined? Introducing the Retina Theme, where modern design meets incredible functionality. With over 20 sections and 4 presets, this theme adapts to your unique needs. Available for just $220, it's more than a theme, it's a game changer. Imagine a sleek, mobile-friendly design that gives your brand a polished, professional look. Retina isn't just visually appealing, it's built to foster trust and shoppability. Featuring beautiful testimonial sections, it amplifies your customer's voice effectively. The product callouts are designed to spotlight what truly matters to your customers. Setup and customization are a breeze, making your online store dreams a reality. Why settle for ordinary when you can choose Retina and make an unforgettable impression?